Good morning. How is everyone today? We're going to do morning meeting together. So as always, we're going to start with today. This picture means today. Today is, think about it, yesterday was Tuesday. So what is today? You can touch it on the screen gently or on your morning meeting folder.
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday. So our sentence said today is Wednesday, which means tomorrow's Thursday. All right, this picture means month. The whole month is colored in.
The month is
The month is, we're reaching the end of our month. What is it?
April. The month is April.
The month is April, where it rains a lot. Touch April. The date is, look, date is a calendar with one little square colored in. So that means date. The date is April
29th.
Oh, the weather, our favorite.
The weather is
Go look outside. Today, the weather looks cloudy.
Cloudy.
And it might rain later. So if you're watching this later, you might say rainy. But Miss Ainsley's sentence is,
the weather is cloudy.
The weather is cloudy. And lastly, this picture means temperature.
The temperature is
The temperature today is going to be warm. It's going to stay right in the mid 60s, so like 63, 64.
warm. The temperature is warm.
Can you touch warm on your morning meeting folder or gently on the screen? All right, good job. So today is Wednesday. So our subjects we need to do are language arts, math, and social studies. And then if you want to do special areas today, they are gym and work skills. So anything you do, make sure your parents fill out my log so I know how hard you're working. All right, friends, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for working with me.